Hey there, are you having trouble with DoorDash not clicking? You're not alone. This common issue can be frustrating, especially when you're hungry and ready to order. Luckily, there are several steps you can take to fix this glitch and get back to dashing those cravings away. In this guide, we'll discuss how to fix DoorDash not clicking and ensure a smoother ordering experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Before diving deeper, start with the basics. Your internet connection. An unstable or slow internet connection can prevent DoorDash from functioning correctly, including responding to clicks. Ensure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on and working properly. You can try resetting your router or toggling your data connection off and on again to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Restart the DoorDash app. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes. Close the DoorDash app completely by swiping it away from your recent apps or force closing it through the phone's settings. After waiting for a few seconds, reopen the app and try clicking again. This refresh can often clear up temporary bugs or glitches. Step 3. Update the DoorDash app. It's crucial to keep all your apps up to date, including DoorDash. App updates often come with bug fixes and performance improvements. Navigate to your device's App Store, that's Google Play for Android users, App Store for iOS users, and check if there's an update available for DoorDash. If so, install it and see if the clicking issue persists. Step 4. Clear cache and data for Android users. If you're using an Android device, clearing the app cache and data can resolve performance issues. Go to your phone settings, find Apps, and select DoorDash from the list. Choose Storage and then select Clear Cache and Clear Data. This will remove temporary files that might be causing the problem, though it will also log you out of the app, requiring you to sign back in. Step 5. Reinstall the DoorDash app. If all else fails, uninstalling and reinstalling the app can be a last resort solution. On most phones, you can uninstall the app by pressing and holding the app icon and selecting the uninstall option. Afterward, reinstall it from your device's App Store. This fresh installation can get rid of any corrupted files that might be causing the app not to respond to clicks. Step 6. Contact DoorDash support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it's time to contact DoorDash support. Visit the DoorDash Help Center or contact customer support through the app or website. Provide them with detailed information about the issue, your device model, and steps you've already taken to try to resolve it. Their team can offer further troubleshooting advice or escalate the matter for you. And there you have it. By following these steps on how to fix DoorDash not clicking, you can troubleshoot and hopefully resolve the issue quickly. From checking your internet connection to reaching out to DoorDash support, these solutions cover the most common causes of app malfunctions. Remember, a little patience goes a long way when tech troubles arise. Safe dashing, and may your orders arrive swiftly and deliciously.